Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PS5 analog drift. First, we will identify the common causes of this frustrating issue. Then, I will guide you through simple, non-invasive cleaning techniques you can perform at home. Following that, we will look at more involved solutions, including opening your controller for a deeper clean. Finally, I will provide tips to help prevent future drift and keep your controller performing optimally. This guide will help you regain full control and enjoy your gaming experience. Start by ensuring your controller is completely powered down before attempting any cleaning. Grab a soft, dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe around the base of the analog sticks. Next, take a can of compressed air, holding it straight up to prevent moisture. Deliver short, precise bursts around the stick, rotating it as you spray. This simple step often clears superficial dust and grime, which can be a primary cause of drift. This method is safe and non-invasive, a great first step. Should the drift persist, it is time for a more thorough internal cleaning. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic prying tool. Carefully pry open the bottom cover, then remove the 4 tiny screws holding the main shell together. Gently separate the controller halves, being very careful with any attached ribbon cables. Once inside, locate the joystick module. Use a cotton swab, lightly moistened with 99% isopropyl alcohol, to meticulously clean around the moving parts. This targets deeper-seated dirt. After reassembling your controller, test it thoroughly to check for improvement. If the drift still persists, a software recalibration might be necessary. Some PC tools or console settings can help. If all else fails, the analog stick module itself could be worn out. Replacing it involves desoldering and soldering, which requires specialized tools and expertise. If you are not comfortable with such intricate repairs, consider seeking professional assistance or replacing the controller entirely. This ensures a proper and lasting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.